Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Lim and today I have with me the new Huawei MatePad 11 powered by their very own Harmony OS. Now before I turn it on, let's take a look at the hardware as well as its compatible accessories. First up, I want to say I really like how sleek the design is. It's really thin and feels like almost nothing in my hands, weighing at only 485 grams. Now it's also compatible with the smart magnetic keyboard, the wireless mouse, and the M Pencil. And together, it transforms into a stylish mini laptop on the go. All right, let's turn it on. Oh, okay, the first thing I noticed is just how massive the screen is. This is a 10.95-inch LCD screen with a screen-to-body ratio of 86%. Now just look at how narrow the bezels are along the sides. This really helps maximize your screen real estate. One of the device's key features is its quad speakers tuned by Harman Kardon. Now that would really give you a very full audio experience. It also has 4 built-in microphones with enhanced noise reduction technology. Now the battery capacity, it's 7,250 mAh, which can sustain up to 12 hours of web browsing or video playback, or 65 hours of audio playback. Coming back to the display, it is a 2K display which is really crisp, and if you're worried about staring at the screen for too long, fret not, because the MatePad 11 has been awarded the TÜV Rheinland Dual certification, which means the display is designed to reduce blue light emission, and this will help alleviate eye strain caused by staring at a computer screen for too long. Let's talk apps. There are 141,000 apps available on Huawei's official app store, App Gallery. And of course, they're continuously working on increasing the selection of popular apps. Now, should you not be able to find that app you want on the App Gallery, no worries, you can still download them via Huawei's search engine tool, Pedal Search. Just having a feel of it, the touch sensitivity is smooth and very responsive, and that's because this is the first ever Huawei tablet with a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, and it really makes for a smooth, very fluid visual experience whether you're gaming or binge watching or simply web browsing. Now, as I mentioned before, the tablet runs on Huawei's very own next-gen operating system, Harmony OS. It supports a multi-window function that can simultaneously run up to 4 app windows on the screen. Well, if that's not good enough for you, the updated PC-tablet multi-screen collaboration can essentially turn the MatePad 11 into an extension of your other Huawei devices. Basically, you're turning it into a secondary screen without the hassle of any of the wires. Let's try it out by linking the MatePad 11 to my MacBook X Pro. I like how the transferring of files can also be done seamlessly from one device to another via Huawei Share. Easy. The Huawei MatePad 11 is an innovative and reliable device, whether you're using it for work or studies. Overall, it has excellent battery life, a huge display with amazing image performance, but I think the product truly shines when used together with your other Huawei devices. This is also true of its compatible accessories, which can turn the MatePad 11 into a portable tablet desktop that you could carry around anywhere while still giving you a PC-like experience.